Today we're going to talk about burner cap placement. If you find a flame that looks like this or doesn't seem to be evenly distributed, your burner cap might not be aligned properly. You move the burner cap until it is centered and locked in place. As you can see, it's not moving around. Test it. And as you can see, the flame is now evenly distributed all the way around. Now this burner cap hasn't been turned on, so it's definitely cool. There are some alignment posts that are on the center of your burner, and the cap will just sit right on top of those evenly. If it's off, it will slide around, but if it's centered on them, it'll lock right in. And we'll just give it a little test. As you can see, the flame is normal.
Always refer to your installation instructions, as it is the primary source of information regarding your appliance.